for some reason, guys, my streams are just a little quieter than others. There's this wacky thing called a volume bar. I don't know if you've heard of it. If you're struggling to hear, it might be worth checking that out. Maybe watch a tutorial or something. I'm sure there'll be some like 13-year-old kid on YouTube who can show you how to adjust it. If you're on a mobile device, I think it's just a button, maybe. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure, to be honest.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use the volume bar on Windows 10. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take your cursor. You're gonna want to come down over here, down to where you see this little icon. The weird little trapezoid with little bars coming out. You're gonna want to click on it, and then you're gonna want to slide around the bar until you get it just right. And once you let go of click, you'll hear the little Windows sound, and that's it. Now this is gonna be a lot harder to show you, but on the keyboard there is volume buttons there too. There's one for mute, there's one for down, and then there's one for up. If you are like me and have a compact keyboard, you're gonna want to hold FN, and then you're gonna want to press those keys. But if you just have a normal keyboard, or say one that doesn't have the function keys as priority, you won't have to hold down FN. And that's my tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Please press like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. But please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you can get all the notifications. Goodbye.